Hello students, in continuation of properties of steam, today I will include specific enthalpy and to identify whether the given steam is dry, wet or superheated, I have two examples. So first of all, what is specific enthalpy? Enthalpy per unit mass and its unit is kilojoule per kg or joule per kg we can take. The formula derivation of enthalpy of wet steam. Here first of all we will derive the formula of specific enthalpy of wet steam. So let H is equal to specific enthalpy of wet steam. Similarly HF enthalpy of specific enthalpy of water. Hg specific enthalpy of dry saturated steam. And HFG, it is the enthalpy required to convert fluid into gas, and let X equal to again dryness fraction. So the formula will be H is equal to HF plus X HFG. Wet steam, when we will get wet steam? Just after saturated vapor line, saturated liquid line, and just before saturated vapor line. So again, specific enthalpy of wet steam will be summation of specific enthalpy of water and how much it is wet. So the formula will be H is equal to HF plus X HFG. When X equal to 0, we will get H is equal to HF, and we know that X equal to 0 means saturated liquid line. Pure liquid means it is water here, so H will be equal to HF. And when X equal to 1, it means pure steam, saturated vapor line. At saturated vapor line, the enthalpy of steam will be H is equal to HF plus 1 multiplied by HFG. We can directly calculate Hg. This is available in the steam table. And similarly, specific enthalpy of superheated steam, we can calculate HSUP is equal to Hg plus CpSUP TSUP minus Ts. Here TSUP is known as degree of superheat. Degree of this TSUP minus Ts is known as degree of superheat, and TSUP is the temperature of steam at superheated condition. In steam table, in case of enthalpy, the values of HF, Hg and HFG is given. If we know the value of X, then with the help of this formula we can calculate the specific enthalpy of wet steam. And when X is not given, we can calculate with this help of this formula. So how to apply the formula of specific volume and specific enthalpy? How to identify and apply the concept of properties of steam in different parts of thermal engineering. I have two examples. First numerical is, it is given that steam is available at 10 bar and its specific volume is 0.15 cubic meter per kg. Now the given steam is, first of all we have to identify whether this steam is dry or wet or superheated. This is the three conditions of steam. First of all we have to identify, then only we can apply the appropriate formula to calculate its further properties like specific volume, specific enthalpy, specific internal energy and specific entropy. Today I have covered specific volume and specific enthalpy. In the next lecture I will cover specific internal energy and specific entropy. Now this formula, the steam is at 10 bar and specific volume is given at 0.15. So if you have such type of numerical, if the given property is specific volume, always compare with the Vg. Always compare with the Vg. Now in the steam table it is given that at 10 bar the value of Vg is 0.1944. Compare these two values. If the given value is less than Vg, it will be always a wet steam. It will be always a wet steam. So what is the formula of wet steam? This is formula of wet steam is V equal to XVG plus 1 minus X Vf, and we have converted it into XVG, as we see that the value of Vf is very less as compared to Vg. When we apply, what is the given value? 0.15 equal to X, and what is Vg? This is from steam table 0.1944. Here we get X equal to 0.771. This is the dryness fraction of steam, and here so we can conclude that with the help of comparing with Vg we can identify the type of steam. Similarly, we have another example. Steam at 20 bar and the enthalpy of steam is 2200 kilojoule per kg. We will apply the same scenario, same condition. First of all, go to the steam table, and at steam table you will get at 20 bar the value of Hg, dry saturated steam, because every time the properties of wet steam will be less than the properties of dry and saturated steam. Here the value of Hg is 2799.5, given value is 2200. Compare these two value. Again the given value of enthalpy is less than Hg, so this steam will be wet steam. The given, comparing this value, H is less than Hg, steam will be a wet. Applying the formula of wet steam, H is equal to Hf plus X Hfg. Now we conclude this with this 2200, and with the help of a steam table, Hf we have already calculated 908.77 and Hfg 1890.7. By putting this value we get the value of X equal to 0.6829. This is the dryness fraction of steam. With these two numericals I can conclude that whether the given value is a specific volume or a specific enthalpy, always compare the given value with the values of dry steam as a specific volume or enthalpy. If it is less than the Vg and Hg, the steam will be wet steam. If it is wet, then calculate its dryness fraction. I hope that these two formula, these two numerical will help you to understand the properties of wet steam. In my next lecture, I will provide you how to calculate its internal energy and entropy. Thank you.